This is Jake Arnold's masterclass in how to do a bathroom. Even I'm learning something from this.
This all used to be bathroom. I thought it was big, so I pushed this in. And I believe if you can even get a few feet of a vestibule to create the sense of an entry, people are obsessed with like bigger rooms. And I think actually making the experience layered and almost feel like you're in like a guest suite. Like I want people to stay here.
Open concepts have been canceled and officially on the record. Cancelled.
And I'll also tell you the other thing I think with small spaces, if you can, is raise your door to the ceiling. Try to avoid having headers. It just makes the space feel so much grander. Once you close that door, won't necessarily have natural light. So I'm a big believer in doing LED. So all the way around the ceiling will be LED versus overhead can lights, because I think ambient lighting is so much nicer. Any small vanity, if you can, I typically add a shelf that's like 4 inches deep. These are honestly from Amazon and I don't even remember, they're like nothing. And it's literally a ledge, toothbrush, face wash, whatever, and it just gets out of the way. It also makes this area feel more open. So then I do a medicine cabinet. So here and here will be jib, meaning hidden, doors that are drywalled with outlets. So like if you have an electric toothbrush, stuff like that. Here I'm just gonna do like stone sink, stone shelf, drywall, stone casing, stone shower. But in here I got this really crazy busy stone and I'm actually cutting it, the slab, into 6 big
large format tiles
and just flipping the veining. I love a seam, by the way, like hot take.
I do too.
Lean into seams. Years ago, like I felt like most people would just miter an edge and it's a block of stone. I hate that. And I think you should always have like an 1/8 of an inch reveal. And then the other thing that I think is so important that people do that I don't love is the inside where the sink is. Normally people leave the 3/4 of an inch slab exposed. Wrap that down. That needs to be the same thickness as the face. So if this is 1.5 inches, 1/8 of an inch reveal and the rest of the stone, I want to see, it doesn't have to be exactly the same, but just a thicker piece of the stone on the inside of the sink. I hate staying at people's houses because when you go in their bathroom, when you see personal things, that's not comfortable for people. Pare it back and think more like a commercial space and make it residential with obviously like the finishes and the scale.